Alright, good morning. Welcome back to another video on the Luderco Arms channel. This is going to be a really short video, hopefully, on pulling the Spartan Locker back out. So if you got a Spartan Locker, like this one here, and you need to pull it out, they don't really give you any directions in the book how to do that. So I'm pulling it out because I need to put it in this other gear carrier because I'm swapping gear ratios on my Cherokee. So let's get started. The first thing we've got to do is, you see you got the little plungers in here. You got these little plungers and the little hole. So what you got to do is use a screwdriver and push that plunger back up into its hole. It's a spring behind it. And then put a piece of wire in this hole to hold it. So I got some TIG wire here cut. And that's the first thing we're going to do. So let's get those backed up out of their places there. You can take a screwdriver, a thin screwdriver, and kind of finagle it up under there. And you can push that up in there. Take you a little piece of TIG wire and put it in the hole. And that'll hold it. And I'm also going to make sure that's going to stay in there. Alright, so there's the one. Now we're going to do the second one. There should be two on each side that you can see through the little window in the side of your carrier. So we'll push that plunger back up. And where did my... Well, apparently I have dropped my other piece of TIG wire. We'll grab this one. Alright. Do that again. Now, if you were smart and you saved your little pieces of TIG wire when you put this thing in that came with it, then you don't have to make your own. But I did not, and so I'm having to make my own pieces to get by with. And like I said, I'm just using TIG wire. Doesn't have to be super long. About that long is good. All right. So now we get these two on the other side here. And the last one. All right. So once you get those in, then you're going to want to, you got to knock your roll pin out. This is a Dana 30, so it's got a roll pin holding the cross shaft in. So we just take our punch keep pushing. Okay, I went backwards. Helps if you go the right direction. Then you can push your cross shaft out. Let me grab a brass drift real quick. Some cross shafts are more are tighter than others, so but alright, got our cross shaft out. Now we've got to finagle these two out of here, and got to keep the cross piece from getting in the way, but you should be able to jiggle and wiggle these things out of here. It may be that I'm catching on, oh, that's what I'm catching on. There we go. There's one. You gotta kind of spin them around sideways before they'll come out. There we go. There's two. And then you can pull the side gears out. There we go. Now you're ready to install it in your new differential, or install whatever you know, if you're going to put a different locker in. So that's it. That's how you change out the Spartan Locker. Hopefully this has helped somebody, and we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you in the next video.